So I just encountered a problem, or no, I fixed it, but how to get those connectors off the fuel injectors, and I wasn't quite sure because there was nothing to push in, and so apparently, and I found nothing on the internet, so apparently you have to get those aside, those two, just get them up there if you take them out. Not quite easy with one hand, but do the second one, and then the injector connector should just come off. So that's it. Just because I didn't found any advice on the internet and had to fuddle around about 15 minutes, which so easy it could be spent otherwise. Okay, bye bye.